Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Redbubble product mockups of your designs to use for marketing. Using the Redbubble mockups is a great way to promote your products. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so you'll be notified each time I release a new tutorial. By downloading the Redbubble product mockups, you can market your artwork on your website or on your social media pages to drive more traffic and sales to your Redbubble shop. Downloading the mockups on Redbubble is an easy process and a great way to start promoting your Redbubble products online. So now let's go over an example of how to download product mockups of one of my designs on Redbubble. To get started, let's look up at the top menu and click on the Account tab. From the drop-down menu, let's go down and click on Manage Portfolio. This should open up your Manage Portfolio menu where you can manage your works and your collections. In the search bar here, go ahead and search for the artwork that you want to promote using Redbubble mockups. For this example, I'm going to search for my billiards pool shark design. So it looks like I actually have two designs containing these keywords. The design I want to promote is going to be the one on the left here. So once you find the design that you want to promote, look up at the top right hand corner of the image and click on the edit icon here. This should open up a drop-down menu providing various options to manage your design. Since we want to promote using the Redbubble mockups, let's click on the tab that says Promote Products. This should take you to a page where you can view all of the products available for your selected design. For this design, I pretty much have all of the products selected, whether it's the masks, t-shirts, hoodies, long sleeve shirts, clocks, and even comforters. You can download the mockups for any of the products on Redbubble, but for this example, I'm just going to download the mockups for the classic t-shirt. So once you've selected your product, let's look down at the bottom right hand side and click on the three dots icon here. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Download Images. This should open up a new window where you can view all the various mockups available for this particular product. For the classic t-shirt, you can see there are actually 7 different mockup images available for download. If we take a look at the mockups, we can see they all feature my billiards pool shark design. Take a moment to browse through all the different mockups and figure out which ones you want to use to promote your product. Once you're ready to download your mockups, look at the top right hand corner of the image and click on the download icon. Do this for all the mockup images you wish to use. The mockup images should automatically download to your computer. Let's open one up and see how it looks. There we go. I think these will work great for marketing my design. Now that I've downloaded the mockups, I can now head over to my website or my social media pages and promote my product. So let's use the mockups to create a promotional post on my demo Facebook page. I'm going to click here to create a new post, click the image icon here to add my mockup images, and I'm going to open up all 3 mockups to add to my post. There we go. Now I can fill out my description, add a call to action, and a link to my product listing. When filling out your description for your promotional post, make sure you use good copywriting and always include a call to action. So I have my description, the link to my shop, and my call to action, and I also have my Redbubble mockups added to the post. So once you have everything filled out, go ahead and click on the post button. And voila, here's my new Facebook post to promote my Pool Shark Billiards t-shirt. When viewers click on your post, they'll be able to see full-size images of your Redbubble product mockups. If you already have an audience, they'll be able to see your post and click your link to go visit your shop. When customers get to your product listing page, they can review the product, add it to their cart, and make a purchase. If you have a small audience or don't have an audience at all, you can still promote your product by boosting the post or sharing the post on other social media pages. Once you're ready to go pro, you can use the templates on Placeit to make your own mockups, create your own t-shirt designs, and even make amazing marketing videos using your mockup images. If you're ready to access all the Placeit tools and take your print-on-demand business to the next level, go ahead and click the link in the video description. So that's a quick overview of how to download the Redbubble mockups to market your products on social media. Make sure you hit the like button, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.